That's a helicopter.
Goes round.
That is a helicopter.
I'll bring this to dogs.
Okay, you want to bring that to show the dogs?
Yes.
Okay. That sounds good to me.
It goes round and round.
Come here,
It
Ian.
goes round and round.
Come here. Did you make Noni feel better?
Yes.
What'd you give Noni?
Huh?
What'd you give Noni to make her feel better? What'd you give Noni to make her feel better? You gave her what, fries and soup? Mm-hmm. Let's see the wheels.
I want to go sound. That's little for power, a white and a helicopter. Watch. See?
You wanna go to show Thumpy?
That's so Milo.
You wanna show Milo?
Yes, Milo's nice. Milo's nice.
This...
He tickles me.
Oh.
Milo tickles.
Mm-hmm.
Milo tickles me. So Milo now.
Okay.
Please.
All right, let's go see Milo.
Huh? Huh?
What does Milo like to eat?
Dog food. Milo likes dog food.
Mm-hmm. Does he like fries?
Huh?
Does he like fries?
No. It's my fries. Milo likes dog food.
Mm-hmm.
And like dog food.
What?
Dog food is yummy.
What do you like to eat?
Fries and ketchup and ranch.
Do you like Tata ball curry?
Yes. It has potatoes in it and rice.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Tata